In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust annotative scale of dimensions or text in AutoCAD. By the end, you will know how to set the correct scale before you draw and how to fix the scale on text or dimensions you've already placed, so they read clearly at the size you expect. First, let's talk about setting the current annotative scale before or during your drawing session. Look to the bottom right of your AutoCAD window on the status bar. You'll see a drop-down for Annotation Scale. Click that and choose the scale you plan to work with, such as a common plotting scale. This tells AutoCAD what size to display newly created annotative text and dimensions, so they appear consistent when you plot or view at different scales. Setting this early helps avoid inconsistent sizing later. If you change design contexts frequently, remember to revisit this dropdown as you move between views or sheets. Choosing the right scale here doesn't change geometry. It only controls how annotative objects display relative to the drawing scale. Now, if you already have text or dimensions in your drawing and they're not displaying at the right size, you can modify the scale on those existing objects. Start by selecting the text or dimension you want to fix. Open the Properties palette by pressing Ctrl-F. With the object still selected, scroll to the Miscellaneous section. Find the Annotative Scale field, then click it. A small button will appear next to the field. Click that to open the Object Scale dialog. This dialog shows which scales are currently assigned to the selected object. If the one you need isn't listed, click Add and choose the desired scale from the list. If you see a scale that's wrong or no longer needed, select it and delete it from the list. When you are finished, confirm the dialog to apply your changes. A few tips as you work. The Object Scale dialog is especially useful if you need the same text or dimension to appear correctly in multiple viewports with different scales. Adding multiple scales here ensures consistent readability across all views. If you don't see the annotative scale options in Properties, the selected item may not be annotative. In that case, only annotative objects will respond to these scale settings. After changes, give the drawing a quick zoom or region to refresh the display. That's it. Thanks for watching.